Hi guys, so we're just back with another video on how to get started with $100. So if you see my face, please do a sub to the channel and press the notification bell. So what you will see is that how we are going to create a campaign with a $100 budget. So first up, what we have to do is we have to get started with Google Ads. So what I will do is I will click on ads.google.com, or I will simply write in ads.google.com. First of all, you have to have the Google Ads approved accounts, or not any kind of issue with that account. Maybe suspicious payment policies. These days, too many issues are going with Google Ads as they suspend account without any notification. So let's start our video on how to get started with affiliate marketing or Google Ads, or if you have, for example, $100 budgets, how would you get started? So what I will do is I will go ahead and click on new campaign. So I'm just walking you through on how to manage your $100 budget on Google Ads. So what I will do is I'm going to be promoting a product or a lead generation offer from affiliate network, which is going to be Max Bounty. So what I will do, I will click on website traffic. So I already have a landing page, so I do not want to show you how it actually looks like, as for now I'm just going straight forward. So what I'll do is I will go ahead and click on website traffic, as we want website traffic. So after that, what we have to do is click on search campaign. So, and right after that, the Google is going to be asking about your website URL, your landing page URL, or it could be even your store URL. So we're going to quickly select search traffic, and let's see what Google asks us to create. So okay, now here is the website URL which I'm gonna be writing, or you can just copy and paste. So well, what is this? This is an affiliate offer and a lead generation offer basically. So I'm simply promoting this offer on Google Ad with $100 budget. So I'm gonna click on continue and start a new campaign. So it's gonna show you the bidding, the criteria, what do you want to focus on, and how do you want to be optimize your campaign, or whatever the case is. So I'm gonna click on clicks, as we are just going to focusing on clicks for now. We don't need to set the maximum cost per click, as we just want to get some data from Google Ads so that we can start running ads. So just click on next, and we're gonna be running Google Ad on search network for now. We currently have display network unchecked, as we don't want to waste some extra budget on display network. So what I will do is I will go ahead select my location. So I want to this ads to be shown in the United States. So in the United States, I'm gonna go ahead and select this. Okay, so now audience segments, I will just leave it as it is, as I don't have much data about my audience, and I just want Google to let me know about that. So what I will do is I will go ahead and end select the end date of my ad. It could be like 23 February, which is like tonight at 12 p.m. And after that, we're gonna go ahead and click on next. So now Google is suggesting me a few keywords related to my product. So what I will do is I will just click on next, or you can create your ad first and then click on next. So I'm gonna quickly create my ad. I'm gonna remove promising headline ads. I just want to be safe, and I just don't want my ad account to be suspended. So what I will do is I will stop writing these kind of headlines. So they are just looking like average headline, not optimized, as I just want to show you that how to spend. But you can do ChatGPT to make you optimize descriptions and headlines relevant to your keyword or relevant to your landing page. So we're gonna go ahead and click on next. Here, what I can do is I can set a custom budget of $100. Currently, I am selecting PKR, and when I go ahead and spend like 7,500 PKR, and now Google is going to suggest me about the data, or about the clicks, that how many clicks I will get and how many impressions like I would be getting if I spend $100. There are the clicks, and 1,777 clicks I will get, and the average CPC is 29.5 rupees. So I'm going to click on next. What I will do is I will just let Google to know about my keywords, about my headline, about my ad, unless I start getting a few sales or leads on my landing page. So I will just keep it going by increasing the budget, by measuring things, and I will just keep going everything. So I hope you like this video. This is a super simple video on how to do Google Ads. There is no rocket launching technique or whatever people are writing on Tumblr. This is super simple, just to let Google know on what works and what doesn't, and let it be working for a few days at least, so that Google can grab some data for you, and then you can start targeting the exact location where people convert. So I hope you like this video. If so, please subscribe to the channel. If not, you can dislike. So take care and goodbye. I will see you in the next video.